When you're drafting your research essay, you're going to have a whole lot going on. If you remember the steps, right? If you've been following the steps and going along, it's going to make it easier. Open up the document that has your thesis statement and topic concluding sentences outlined, right? And then you're going to start to pull in the research. Please note, you want to have your own thoughts and words as well as what? The documented paraphrases and documented direct quotes. It should be a blend. You don't just want to have research. You don't just want to have your own thoughts and your own words, but you want to have it blended together. You're just going to go through one paragraph at a time. Note, please. Each body paragraph must have research. If you have a quote, don't let it take over a paragraph. You can edit that quote down. You can shrink it by using an ellipse or just turn it into a paraphrase. Use your own thoughts and your own words. Please remember, direct quotes must have a signal phrase, and quotes and paraphrases, again, must be cited. We have to cite both. How do we come up with this, the Works Cited page? Right? And here we go. Step 6, kind of walk you through how to do that. However, thankfully, in our digital age, what we can do is we can, let me switch screens here. We can go to, there's different, here we go. You can go to an online tool that is going to do it for us. This is just one. This is EasyBib. There's lots of others. You can just Google Works Cited page generator, and you're going to find one. So then what we want to do is we want to create some citations. You'll notice that there's incredible, crazy ads, and that's what makes it free. So I want to create a citation here. Here we go. It's a little bit slow. And when using one of these citation generators, you want to make sure that you have it set for MLA. And then you'll see in this drop-down box, this is the different type of source that we have. So we just have it set for that, whether it's a book, website, whatever, or a journal. And then you'll notice here that since so much of this stuff is online, it's oftentimes we can just drop the URL in there and it's going to search for us, right? We have this set for MLA. Please be sure to do that. And you just want to follow the instructions there as it's going to lead you through, and then it's going to create that citation for you. A lot of people wonder, is it okay to use these citation generators? I'm switching back to my document camera, everybody. Just give me a second. And the answer is yes. I use these citation generators to make my own Works Cited pages now, because it is just maddeningly difficult to go through, and I am just disorganized here. There we go. It's really, really difficult and maddening to do the Works Cited page. When we look at the Works Cited page, you will notice that the Works Cited page is what? It's alphabetized. And please notice that it's titled Works Cited. Then It's still double spaced, just like Write Your Paper is. And this is what's called a hanging indent. The second, third, fourth lines, etc., are indented. And all that we have on the Works Cited page, this is only the resources used in the essay. Oftentimes, you'll go through and you'll do all this research and you'll find that you don't use it, and that's okay. So you don't have to use every single resource in building your paper. And there we go. Please be aware that the Works Cited page, it does not count towards length. So when we talk about the word count, it's just the body of the paper itself. And now we're ready to look and go through that research essay so we can see how these in-text citations work. We'll do that in the next video.